In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to set up a clean, data-driven view in ClickUp that helps you track sprint velocity, so you can quickly see how much work your team completes each sprint and spot trends over time. If you're practicing Agile, velocity is a powerful pulse check. It reflects consistent delivery, helps with forecasting, and highlights when scope or capacity shifts. Let's build it together, step by step. First, open ClickUp and head to the Overview for the space or workspace you want to analyze. Overview brings key information into one place, so it's a great starting point for team-wide visibility. Make sure you're in the location that actually contains your sprint work, so the insights you build pull from the right tasks. Next, click on View. This opens up options for adding different types of summaries and visualizations to your overview. Think of it as choosing the lens through which you'll look at your work. From the menu, select Track Metrics and Insights. This option is designed specifically for analytics. It pulls together charts and summaries that turn task data into trends, making it perfect for agile metrics like velocity, throughput, and cycle time. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch. Starting fresh gives you full control over what appears in your insights, so you can tailor it to your team's process without extra clutter. In the search field that appears, type Sprints. This quickly filters the library to show sprint-related widgets and reports, saving you time digging through broader categories. Now, select Sprint Velocity. This adds a chart that visualizes the amount of work completed each sprint. Depending on how your team estimates, the chart can reflect story points, time estimates, or completed tasks. Velocity helps you answer questions like, are we delivering at a steady pace? Are recent changes in scope or team capacity impacting output? Over several sprints, a stable velocity makes planning more reliable. A few quick tips to get the most from this view. Consistent estimation practices lead to more meaningful velocity trends, so stick to either story points or time estimates and keep them updated. Closed tasks should be tied to the correct sprint dates for accurate results. If your team uses multiple spaces or squads, verify the data source and filters target the right location so the chart reflects the team you intend to track. That's it! You've created a focused insights view centered on sprint velocity in ClickUp. Use it during sprint reviews and planning to ground conversations in data, spot trends early, and forecast with confidence.